If you work in AutoCAD, one of the easiest ways to clean up your drawing and make overlapping objects easier to read is by using draw order. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use draw order in AutoCAD step by step so you can control which objects appear on top and which ones stay behind. This is especially useful when you're working with text, hatches, blocks, dimensions, or any objects that overlap in a busy drawing. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to edit. Once your file is open, take a look at the objects that are overlapping or covering each other. This is where draw order becomes really useful, because instead of moving objects manually, you can control their stacking order in just a few clicks. Next, select the object or objects that you want to change. You can click on a single item or hold and select multiple objects if you want them all to move together in the draw order. For example, you might want text to appear above a hatch, or you may want a block to sit behind a set of dimensions. After selecting the objects, right-click anywhere in the drawing area. A shortcut menu will appear, and from that menu, choose Draw Order. This opens the draw order options that let you decide how the selected objects should be arranged visually in the drawing. Now you'll see several options. If you want the selected object to appear above everything else, choose Bring to Front. This is useful for text, labels, symbols, or details you don't want hidden behind other elements. If you want the object to disappear behind other objects, choose Send to Back. That works well for hatches, background shapes, or anything that should stay in the rear. You can also use Bring Above Objects if you want the selected item to sit on top of a specific object, but not necessarily everything in the drawing. This gives you more control when you only want to adjust the stacking order relative to certain elements. Similarly, Send Under Objects places the selected object beneath another item without pushing it all the way to the back of the entire drawing. Once you choose the option you need, AutoCAD immediately updates the visual order in your drawing. You'll see the objects rearrange on screen, which makes it much easier to inspect your work and improve readability. If something still doesn't look right, you can repeat the same steps and adjust the draw order again until the layout looks perfect. This is a simple tool, but it can make a huge difference in presentation drawings, plans, and detailed layouts. It helps keep important information visible and prevents confusing overlaps. Whether you're organizing annotations, cleaning up hatches, or arranging symbols, Draw Order is a fast and efficient way to improve your AutoCAD workflow. So to quickly recap, open your drawing, select the object, right-click, go to Draw Order, and then choose Bring to Front, Send to Back, Bring Above Objects, or Send Under Objects, depending on what you need. That's all there is to it. If this AutoCAD tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.